Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve inequality. We will follow a interesting graphical method to solve this kind of problem so that you will not do mistake to solve this kind of inequality. So let's start. So here we have taken on problem that is x square plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Solve means we have to find the value of x, that is set of value of x which satisfy this inequality. So we'll follow some steps. What is the first step? First step, we'll do this side, that is left hand side of inequality x square plus 2x minus 8, that's equals to 0. Okay, so we are taking x square plus 2x minus 8, that's equals to 0. Then this is a quadratic equation. We'll just solve this quadratic equation as your way you can solve this. So we'll follow here the splitting middle term method, that x square. So we have to split 2x so that it will match with the last and first multiply, that is 4x minus 2x. So 4 into 2 8 minus 8x square, and last and first multiply also minus 8x square. So minus x equals to 0. Then x is common, so x plus 4, and minus 2 is common, so x plus 4, that's equals to 0. So from here we can get x plus 4 multiply x minus 2 equals to 0. So from here we are getting the value of x, that is x equals to minus 4 and x equals to 2. Okay, so we got two value of x, that is minus 4 and 2. Okay, so our next step is, so we have to draw this graph. Okay, so how to draw, let's see. So this is suppose y-axis and this is suppose x-axis. Okay, then plot these 2 points minus 4 and 2. So minus 4 it will be around this place and 2 will be at around this place. Then we have to draw the graph of y equals to x square plus 2x minus 8. Just rough case of this graph. So when we write y equals to x square plus bx plus c, this represent a parabola. Either it is upward side or downward side. Okay, so it will be either upside or downside. So depending on the coefficient of x square, it will be upside or downside. The coefficient of x square is positive, so it will be upside. The coefficient of x square is negative, so it will be downside. Okay, so here coefficient of x square is 1, that is positive, means graph will be upside. Okay, so let's draw the graph. So it upside means it will be at like this. Okay, so our drawing the graph is complete. Our next step is just we have to look at the inequality. What is the inequality? X square plus 2x minus is greater than 0. Okay, so in this graph upside will be positive and the down portion of this graph, that is negative. Okay, now look at the graph, it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is positive. The positive means it represents the upside of the graph. That means it will represent this portion and this portion. These two portions are upside of the graph, upside of the x-axis. So this portion represents the greater than 0. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, or set of value of x will satisfy this inequality. That means this two up portion. Okay, now for this up portion, value of x will be from here to right side. Obviously from this up portion, value of x will be from here to left side. Okay, so from here we can write the solution directly. Okay, so let's see solution. It will be, so it will be from 2 to right side, that means it will be greater than 2, and from minus 4 to left hand side, so it will be x less than minus 4. Okay, so here one point is you have to remember, so here only greater than is there, so we have to write only greater than. If this is greater than equal 0, then for this case we have to write greater than equals to, and here also less than equals to. Clear? If only greater than, so here also only. If greater than equals, so here have to give the equal sign. Okay, so this is the solution of the given question. Now if the question is suppose x square plus 2x minus 8 less than 0, so here it was greater than 0, now it is less than 0. So less than 0 means negative, and which portion of the graph represent negative? Look at this graph. Negative means down portion, means this portion. Okay, so this portion means for this portion what will be the value of x? X will be from here to here, yes or no? That means for this case solution will be, sorry, minus 2 minus 4 to 2. So we can write directly minus 4 less than x less than 2. Okay, so for this question solution will be this. If here is less than equals to sign, here also you have to give the equal sign, less than equals to sign. I hope it's clear to you. And one more things, I already told you, if the coefficient of x square is negative, that time we have to draw the graph like this way. Suppose in this case, suppose minus x square plus 2x minus 8, then we have to plot the graph downward side. If we factorize this, okay, and if we take the minus multiply and change the sign, then we have to follow the same process. I hope you have understood the procedure to solve this inequality, this kind of inequality. If you have any doubt further, so feel free to ask question in the comment section. Thank you for watching.